we're about to go off down to Tower Studios in Stone to film Those Snakes for a music video for the first song off their new album. So we thought we'd just quickly show you a little bit around what gear we're taking and what goes into making a music video, or certainly the music video of the type we're going to do today. So we've got our new fog machine or smoke machine, which we're going to be using today to create a bit of atmosphere in the room. Trusty gimbal, Ronin S, we'll be taking that to get some really cool pan shots in and around the band, which is a specific look that they were after. Got loads and loads of stuff in this bag.
It's just food, yeah?
Food, yeah. Got all of this from Lidl. So loads of cables, power adapters, battery packs, gaffer tape. It's quite a big room, which is specifically why we're going there, but the walls and the surround aren't ideal. So we are moving stuff when we get there, but we have got a few black sheets that we're going to be putting up in and around the room as well, just to kill a bit of that background. So we've got some quite big stands in here. They're about just under 6 foot tall, and then a bar that goes across the stands that you can then drape your backdrop on, and we'll be clipping them. We've got our new 9 foot stands for our lights, and we've got 2 of them. 2 of these Niwa LED lights. We are waiting for, what are they called? I don't want to say flaps.
Bars or boards?
Barn doors or something?
Barn doors, that's
barn
it.
doors, yeah, so we're waiting some barn doors to arrive. They didn't come yesterday for some reason, so they are apparently, according to the Amazon app, 6 stops away.
I'll be using a Canon EOS R today. I've just recently bought this small rig cage, which is bespoke and purpose built for the EOS R. And I bought this nice grip adapter that goes into there, locks in there quite neatly. So yeah, I'll be using that today and using a nice stable motion with that. But also, given the type of video that we're doing, there's going to be some quite jittery and action-based shots, I suppose. So I'll be using that on a 35mm lens. Might break out the 70-200 to get some nice depth of field at some point. And Nick will be using the camera that he's filming on now, the 6D Mark II, on a 24mm prime lens. We've been speaking to the band, or Carl, the lead singer in the band, for about a month about this shoot, really, probably a bit longer. And Carl had some very specific ideas around what he wanted the video to look like, and we've obviously developed it from there. So what we try and do before a shoot is develop a set of shots that we want to do. Specifically what gear we're going to use for the shots, what settings we might want to use, what we want to do with the lighting. And we've got 7 different shot selections or scene selections that we want to get out of today as a minimum. Pretty much guarantee every shoot will, when we're there in the thick of it, we'll come up with some new ideas, but this is going to make sure we get at least all the foundational stuff we want to get a really good video. Saved by the Bell.
2, were you expecting 2?
Yeah.
Pointing that, plastic, and then they're in boxes as well.
Yeah, box within a box within a box. Russian doll. The old barn door.
There we go, that's what we're after. Nice flaps.
Saved by the Bell. Here's the boys. Is that right?
Hi.
One bit. What, like 20 more bits to go?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So I reckon we bring these ones in a few feet.
What's that?
Bring those in a few feet.
What speakers?
We are setting up the lighting. Just moved a load of furniture.
You'd be one of the organisers.
Here he is. Drummer for the day. Any words of wisdom before we get going?
Take good pictures. That's what you can
I thought
do.
we were doing a video.
Okay, take good video. That's what you can
That's
do.
what we'll do, don't we?
Yeah.
Well, so we've done 2 takes now. Just show you a bit of the lighting setup that we've got going on here. So we've got 2. There's a 3-piece band, so we've got 3 lights, 1 for each of them. Nice of us. So this one here is, whilst it's backlighting Carl, who's the lead singer, it's also able to light over to Sandy, who's the bassist. And likewise over in this corner over here, we've got a key light that is going down on the back of Sandy's lovely head, and it's catching the front of Carl, We just need to make sure that Cole's got some light going in on his face, so when we do specific shots we might actually come in close with a light under him. And then Tom gets a nice atmospheric spotlight. We've got the smoke machine giving us a bit of a haze. We're trying not to overdo it, because otherwise we will just be choking and we won't be able to see anything at all. But yeah, it just takes the sort of the cold light of day off it, and it gives us a bit of an atmosphere, which is what we want.
What shots are we going to do next when they come back?
So when they come back, we've done 2 shots, 2 wide shots at the moment. One from this angle where you're looking, watching them all play, and one from the side. And we've been using the 70 to 200mm Canon lens to get some nice close-ups in on Carl. And yeah, when they come back, we're going to be getting much more up in the grill, getting some action shots, getting them doing some actual movements to make the video really interesting. You play as well?
Yeah, that's what I was thinking, not standing like a goal.
Okay, ready?
Yep. Pretend you're dancing.
He loves it.
Try and climb it, Tom. Yeah. If he does a bit of blowing as well, that's all. Hey, Joe.
Done. We're sitting on the sofas here in Tower Studios, tired. We've just put the room all back together how it was before.
Sunday, 10 o'clock. We love it though.
We love it.
You love it.
So
Nick's going to go and do the edit now.
went really well. I think we've got more than enough footage for a 4-minute video. We did some scenes outside just now, didn't we? That were a bit, what should we say, experimental. That may or may not feature, but if they don't feature in the actual video, we'll put some in the behind the scenes video. We've used quite a lot of different techniques today, haven't we? Different bits of kit.
Yeah, we were up the ladder. We were using different techniques for shutter speeds.
Gimbal, different lighting techniques.
Didn't get the Sally the slider out.
Just didn't use Sally the slider, which we'll make sure we use that next time. We got a bit of fog, bit of haze in there, which was, I think,
really
worked
good.
well. And now we're going to go home and try and go to sleep and not hear the song that we've just listened to 27 times when we shut our eyes.
You can tell we're tired, huh?
Yeah.
Right, it's just the way it goes.
No. See ya.
Sleep well.
Sleep well. Say the most